The time has come. I never did and reupholster the seats before. I picked up a pair of seats and the typical EF bolster problem. So like I said, I never did anything with the interior. So today, or this couple of days, I'm gonna start the process of reupholster the seat with the similar material that I got, similar pattern. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. I have no clue how to even work. So consider this right here. I think I'm just gonna keep this and just repair this portion and this portion, and hopefully I don't mess it up, made it even worse. The bolster over here doesn't look too bad at all. It's just a tear right here, a little bit over here. The other side looks fine. Let me see if I could redo this piece, just this section, this right here. There's material here and the material here. I don't even know how to separate this damn back piece and the cushion piece. So, wish me luck, sort of, because my EF, I already replaced the seat on it. I already got a set new, I got another set on it. Well, let's see what happened. This is the cloth material that I got. It got a little similar pattern to it, but it's not exactly the same. The color is black. So I'm just gonna redo. This is my experimental seat. I don't know if I can even do it, so I'm just gonna try it. Don't hurt to try. Like everyone says, worst comes to worst, I'm gonna junk it. Oh well, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but the material, it matches pretty well. It's just the color difference that this being out. Someone told me it was black, originally black color, but over time, 30 years old, you know, it's faded and whatnot. Yeah, that's it. Let me try and take it apart. I won't be able to record it while I'm taking it off, but it looked like it's pretty simple. Just take off this plate, this handle right here. You should slide on the front. Once you take it off, I should be able to see the bolt in there, and just take off the top piece. That's all I need. I don't need to replace the cushion piece. It looks fine. And this thing right here is starting to wear dog hair. And this little, it's not even tight anymore. Well, let's see how I do this piece first. If I do well, then I'm gonna go ahead and replace this side too. Know my pain, people, know my pain. Well, the cover is off real quick. This thing basically just slide in like this. Just slide in. So how you pull it out? I have to put a screwdriver in there like this and just pound it. Come on. And then just two little Phillips screw. But damn, look at this thing. I sure don't know how to take this shit off though. I don't know, people. Let's see. So after looking at the seats, I'm not sure yet. Basically, this is for the front, and this little hawk rings. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hawk ring. It just keep it together. It's not in any tension. So I try to like flip it around and, you know, separate them and use them, but yeah, can't do it. So basically, this hog rings, I got, I can take 4 or 5, 6, and then I could loosen the front fabrics, because right now I'm pushing it, and there's a bolt right here, and on the other side is you have another one. So I'm gonna try to do that, and hopefully that's it, and then my back cushion could come off. Okay, all the hog rings is off. Cutting it is pretty hard. It's not soft, so we gotta put some effort in it. I'm just taking off the half of that hog rings. So I got 2 sides, the 14mm on one side, and the Allen key that comes in here. But then I just noticed there's this washer that stays like that. So that's how it works. I take that one out. Now, this is how the seat is like. So actually, this is the, you can actually move it out of that, the fitting. I think once I take this section out, the other side she comes out. I don't know, because right now it doesn't comes out at all. I'm already getting frustrated. Well, this side is off, that little thing, so I can move. This side comes out, but then I thought on the side of the lever, I thought I'd take off this 14mm bolt right there, and this thing will come out. It's not budging, so I'm gonna remove this 2 bolt right here, and I think the whole shebang gonna come off. Oh yeah, baby. I feel the tension. I'm getting somewhere. Oh yes, right now it's separated. So yes, it's separated. It's the bottom. This is, I just removed 2 bolt here. So, damn, this shit dirty as hell. I just removed this 2 here, and then the whole thing comes off. So this is it right here. I'll leave this thing there, man. I ain't messing with it. Probably just brush it off a little bit. For the old phone. So I was trying to roll this thing up, but I can't. And then so I stuck my hands in there and see what's like causing it, right? And so this is like this. For right now, this is spring. 2 springs. Oh. So I'm trying to. There's 2 springs right there that's holding onto the other side. So right there, there's a spring. So I'm going to remove the spring real quick. So it releases the tension on the cloth and the seat cover. I guess I gotta go slowly. I don't know what the hell I'm doing for now. Okay, after about 30 minutes of struggling with this shit, there's like 3 springs so far. There's one at the end, very bottom, and there's another one right here, right there, another one right there. So 3 sections of the spring. So this is the front side, right? So this 1, 2, and 3. These are the springs right there, right here, and right here. Taking this piece off, just gotta be patient. You can't rip it because it's very tight. Yeah, just, man, just gotta be patient, folks. I was like about to live it. So right now I'm on the top. The only thing that is holding me back right now, oh shit, oh fuck, is the top, whatever the headrest thing right there. So I'm looking at it. Let me see if I can get a better view. So that's the view of the headrest. So basically, you see the slit, the slit right there. You just need to press it, and then push it comes out. It's just like a locking thing. Let's try it. Oh my God. I was doing that, pressing it. Oh shit. Like compressing it on this one and try to pry it out. But then realize up front here, got a fucking little screw. I keep prying and this thing comes off. So I don't know how significant it is to put it back. So right now this shit comes out now. Oh my dumbass. Yeah, well, what do I know? This is the first time doing this shit. Alright. Oh my God. So that's how it is. Shit. What the fuck this shit up? What happened now? It's not coming out. What? What? So this is the headset adjustment bar thingy. So inside, this took me another half an hour. So inside basically it's just spread open. So I just gotta clamp it and then pull it. But it's a challenge. And then this one wouldn't want to come out. So I finally yanked it out real hard. It came out. So remember, there is a screw right here. So my dumb ass didn't realize that. So this thing kind of off now. I think I need to bend it down a little bit so it should be okay. So I was able to bend the piece of metal back a little bit, and now it's staying in place. Well, remember, there's a screw, so I still gotta take it back out. So when I install it, there's the screws right there. So, okay. So here's the finale. After this thing is off, this thing comes out. That's it. Oh, drop it right there. I'm just gonna inspect my seats. Put it back in. Gonna be a challenge too. So there we have it. This cushion is kind of off on top, right there. It's a little messed up. Need a little bit of cushion right here and right here. This is fine, I guess. So you notice that this is shaving here. This is kind of leaned towards here. I don't know how to even fix it. So I don't know yet. So let's see what happened. Probably this is all ripped up. This is all ripped up, that's why. Yeah. So let's see what I can do. So I'm calling it a day. At least this thing is out. So I need to remove the fabrics, like cutting all these stitches and whatnot for this whole piece. I think I'm gonna cut it through here. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it through here. Cut this whole entire piece out and remove all the stitches on this whole side up to here and come up and all of that. So basically just the whole bolster fabric gonna come out. Let's start with that piece first and see how it goes, because I do not know if I could even do this. If I cannot do this, then I guess I'm just gonna jump the seat. Stay tuned. Hopefully I'm gonna start it again by next couple of days. My dilemma.